Good morning, students. In our previous class, we start the chapter Profit and Loss, where we already learned when profit or loss have to find if cost price and selling price are given, and second one is to find the selling price when cost price and profit or loss are given. Today we have to learn to find the cost price if selling price and profit or loss are given. Say, example is given, a table was sold for rupees 966 at a profit of 15%. Find the cost price of the table. See, there are three methods are mentioned here. I just show you the two methods. If you want to learn the three methods, you can learn easily. But if you understand the two method, you can easily go through the third method also. I'll start with the second method. See, here question is given, selling price is given. See, selling price is given rupees 966 and profit is given 15%. Now you know that profit means selling price is more than the cost price. Now we don't know the cost price, but let percentage means 100. So let cost price equals to rupees 100, right? Profit 15%, that means selling price will be what? Rupees 100 plus 15, that means rupees 115, right? That means when selling price is rupees 115, cost price is what? Rupees 100, right? Therefore, when selling price is rupees 1, then cost price is what? 100 divided by 115. Now, here selling price is given 966. So, selling price is rupees 966, then cost price will be rupees 100 divided by 115 into 966. So, calculate it, you get rupees 840. This is the one method, right? I'll show you the next method. Here we can let cost price is rupees 100. Now we can let the cost price be X. Let cost price be X. Okay. Now, selling price is what? Selling price of the table is what? Profit 15%. That means if profit is 15%, then cost price is 100 and selling price will be what? 115. That means selling price of the table is 115% of X. We can find the profit or loss on the base of cost price. Here cost price is X, right? Now you can convert the percentage into ratio of means into X, right? Now you calculate it and you get what? If you cut it by 523 by 520 means you can write 23x by 20. But according to the problem, selling price is given what? 966. So we can say that 23x by 20 equals to 966. So x equals to 966 into 20 divided by 23. If you calculate it, you again get rupees 840. So two method, if you understand, you can easily go through any one of this one or the first method. Whatever is given, you can go through that method. Okay. Now see the second example. Here profit is given. So we can go, next term is when the loss is given. Now selling price and loss percentage is given, you can find the cost price. See the question, it is given, if 5% is lost by selling an umbrella for rupees 171, what did it cost price? Okay, Now let cost price equals to what? We say 100. That means selling price is what? Cost price minus loss, because our loss is given. So selling price will be what? 100 minus 5% loss. So that means rupees 95. Right. So when selling price is rupees 95, cost price is rupees 100. Right. Similar way, when selling price is rupees 1, then cost price is rupees 100 divided by 95. Now when selling price is rupees 171, then cost price is rupees 100 by 95 into 171. Now calculate it. 5 19s are 95, 20 19 9s are, so rupees 180. That means cost price is what? Cost price is rupees 180 and selling price is what? Rupees 171. Right. Now next sum. Next sum is given. Write a line. Next sum is given if the selling price of 10 pence is equal to the cost price of 11 pence. Find the profit percentage. Okay. Say let cost price of a pen be rupees 1. Right. Rupees 1. Okay. Here you can see selling price of 10 pence is equal to the cost price of 11 pence. That means cost price of 11 pence is rupees 11. Cost price of 10 pence is also rupees 10. So cost price of 10 pence be what? Rupees 10. Right. Selling price of 10 pence equals to cost price of rupees 11 pence. Cost price of 11 pence, not rupees, 11 pence. That means rupees 11. Because cost price of 1 pen is 1, then cost price of 11 pence is rupees 11. So which is the cost selling price of 10 pence? Now see, 10 pence cost price rupees 10, 10 pence selling price is rupees 11. That means selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore profit equals to selling price minus cost price. That means rupees 11 minus rupees 10, which is equals to rupees 1. Now you have to find the profit percentage. You know the formula. Profit divided by cost price into 100. Right. This is our formula. So this is the percentage. Now see. Profit is what? Profit is rupees 1. Cost price is also 10 pence. We compare the 10. So 10 into 100. 0, 0 cancel. That means profit is 10%. Right. Now the next sum. Lemons are bought 3 for rupees 2 and sold 2 for rupees 3. Okay. 3 lemons cost price is rupees 2 and 2 lemons selling price is rupees 3. Find the profit percentage. Okay. Now see how to solve it. First, you have to find the cost price of 1 lemon and selling price of 1 lemon. Then we can compare easily to profit or loss. First, see cost price of 3 lemons equals to rupees 2. Therefore, cost price of 1 lemon equals to rupees what? 2 by 3. Now, selling price of 2 lemons equals to rupees 3. Therefore, selling price of one lemon is rupees what? 3/2. Now you know that which one is bigger. Selling price is bigger. Now, profit on selling one lemon equals to selling price minus cost price. That means selling price is 3/2, cost price is 2/3. So calculate it, you get 5/6. You know how to calculate 3 and 2. LCM is 6. So 3 3s are 9 minus 3 2 2s are 4. So rupees 9 minus 5/6. Okay. Now you have to find the profit percentage. Profit percentage equals to profit by cost price into 100%. Profit is rupees 5/6. Cost price is what? Cost price of one lemon is 2/3, right? Into 100. Now 5/6 into 3/2 into 100%. Now calculate it. 3 2s are 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 250 and then cut it 25. 25 5s are 125%. Right? So profit is 125%. The next class we will discuss more example sums from this chapter. Thank you.